Welcome back, my students. It's time to discuss some problems related to laws of exponents. Problem number one: 243 by 32 all raised to minus 4 by 5. Simplified. I could do that. 243 all divided by 32 all raised to minus 4 by 5. First of all, I'm dealing with this minus. How can I write it? Can I remove the minus? Simple. Just take the number, its reciprocal. Just take the base into its reciprocal. I have a rule, a raised to minus n is 1 by a raised to n. If I convert base into its reciprocal, the negative will be gone. According to that information, I am removing this negative by taking reciprocal or 243 by 32, which is 32 by 243. Interchange numerator and denominator to get reciprocal. So negative is gone 4 by 5. Now how can I do this one? Okay. I have a rule a by b all raised to n is equal to a raised to n by b raised to n. I have a rule a by b all raised to n is equal to a raised to n by b raised to n. According to that information, this is 32 raised to 4 by 5 divided by 243 all raised to 4 by 5. Now. How can I deal with the fractional power a raised to p by q? It's like a raised to 1 by q all raised to p. Okay. So in order to understand that 32 all raised to 4 by 5 can write like 32 raised to 1 by 5 all raised to 4 12 by. Same I'm doing here. 243 raised to 4 by 5 is 243 raised to 1 by 5 all raised to 4. Why I have a rule a raised to m by n is a raised to 1 by n all raised to m. Okay. Let's see how this goes. So this is equal to what is 32 raised to 1 by 5 mean? A raised to, I have an identity. A raised to 1 by n mean nth root of a. So 32 raised to 1 by 5 mean fifth root of 32. And the raised all raised to 5 divided by 243 all raised to 1 by 5 mean fifth root of 243. Fifth root of 243. And there is an all raised to 4. This is the answer we are searching for. So what is that? Fifth root of 32. That means for some number, fifth power is 32. Which is that number? Let's check 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. Yes. 2 raised to 5 is 32. So fifth root of 32 is 2 raised to 4. Divided by. What is fifth root of? This is fifth root. Fifth root of 243. For any number, fifth power is 243 or not. Okay, let's check. First of all, I checked with the 2. Now I'm checking with the 3. 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 to 3, 81. 81 into 3, 243. Yes, 3 raised to 5 is 243. So, fifth root of 243 is 3. And there is a raised to 4. Okay. What is this? 2 raised to 4 mean 2 multiplying 4 times. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 16. Divided by 3 raised to 4 mean 3 multiplying 4 times. 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 3, 81. The most simplified form is 16 divided by 81. Okay. Hope you understood the questions. Time to discuss the second one. Cube root of 343 all raised to minus 2. Cube root of 343 all raised to minus 2. Okay. First of all, I am dealing with this minus 2. Okay, I don't like that minus 2. This is cube root of 343 all raised to minus 2 is. How can I deal with minus 2? A raised to minus n is 1 by a raised to n. I can remove that minus by taking base into its reciprocal. What is reciprocal of 343? It is 1 by 343. Reciprocal of any number. Why? 343 is basically 343 by 1. So, its reciprocal is 1 by 343. All raised to minus 2 it is. No, this in order to deal with this minus 2, we added this thing. Okay. Okay. Now, cube root of 1 by 343 all raised to 2 it is. Now I am going to deal with this cube root. What is cube root? I have a rule. A raised to 1 by n is nth root of a. That means third root of something is that something raised to 1 by 3. Alright? According to that, this is the something is 1 by 343 whole square. So 1 by 343 whole square cube root mean by 3. All raised to 1 by 3. This is all raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Okay. So what did I did? Cube root is actually a raised to 1 by n. So whatever inside it is, I added, I made it outside. Okay. Now what? Now what? This is a ratio, all ratio. A raised to m, all ratio is equal to a raised to m into n. A raised to m. So this is 1 by 343 all raised 1 by 343 raised to 2 all raised to 1 by 3 1 by 343 all raised to 2 into 1 by 3 which is 2 by 3. Okay. Now what is a by b all raised to n? A by b all raised to n. I can split this n to both a raised to n by b raised to n. So this value is 1 raised to 2 by 3 by 343 raised to 2 by 3. 1 raised to any number. 1 raised to any number is 1. So 1 raised to 2 by 3 is 1. 343 raised to 2 by 3. I have to deal with it. So 343 to 2 by 3. I can write it like 343 raised to 1 by 3. All raised to 2. This is how we deal with fractions in power. Now what is 343 raised to 1 by 3? That is cube 1 by. Okay, 1 by is the cube root of. Okay, I will write here. I will write here 1 by. The answer is 1 by 343 all raised to 1 by 3 mean cube root of 343. I have a rule a raised to 1 by n is nth root of a. A raised to 1 by n is nth root of a. Okay. The whole square it is. This is equal to 1 by. What is cube root of 343? For some number, cube is 343. Which is that number? Okay, what is 3 cube? 3 cube is 27. That's not the number. 4 cube is definitely an even number. So that's not a number. 5 cube, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. Again, that's not a number. 6 cube, not possible. What about 7 cube? 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 7, yes, 49 into 7 is 343. 7 cube is 343. So cube root of 343 is 7 whole square. It is 1 by 7 square. The answer we are searching for is 1 by 49. So cube root of 343 whole raised to minus 2 is 1 by 49. Okay. Have you understood the question? Well, rest we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all.